Prashant Giri.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Victor. Victor is Victor here? Kaushik. Saurabh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya. Shreya is here there.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ankon. Ankon
Yes,
Dey.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh. Anish.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Harsh.
Present, ma'am.
Avinash.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul. Rahul is not there, I think. Rahul is there in your class,
Rahul is there in the class. I think he has not
but
joined.
absent here. Okay. Sheikh Mohammed Sakir.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Aman. Okay. Aman. Aman Kumar is not here. Amritangshu.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Abhimanyu.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Harshit. Harshit Mathur.
Present, ma'am.
Pooja Datta.
Present, ma'am.
Kishan Kumar Singh.
Present, ma'am.
I think Kaushik Mahata has got entry. Kaushik Mahata is there? Kaushik Mahata, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you late every time? I think in last same power system class lab also you were late. And another one, who has taken just entry just now? Whose attendance I have not taken? Anyone? Is Victor here? Victor? Rajesh Kumar is here. Rajesh Kumar?
Rajesh Kumar has joined, ma'am.
Rajesh Kumar is not here.
No, he is here. He has joined the meeting, but now again it is not showing. He
Yes,
joined.
now he is not here. Is Rahul Agarwal here? Rahul?
Ma'am, Rajesh has WhatsApp me. He is having network problem again. He is trying to join again and again. Rajesh.
He has to join. Okay, otherwise he cannot give attendance. Anyway, so a few left. Rajesh, Victor.
ম্যাম ভিক্টর জয়েন করছে, ওর বললো যে একটু নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু আছে, রুম থেকে বেরিয়ে জয়েন করছে।
Okay.
Ma'am, Rajesh is also trying to join, but I guess.
Okay, when they join, they should prompt me so that I can give the attendance. Okay. Now I am going. What? Okay, at first I want to say one thing, that this is a sessional class. Now this is a group work. Now it is very common. Some of the students do not do their work by their own. Okay, Rajesh has joined. Rajesh, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some of the students never do their work at time. It happens even when there is the normal situation. I have given an attendance, Rajesh. So in that case, I have given attendance for Rajesh. Then if anybody do not work, you have no need to bother about that. You have no need to take that burden. You leave his or her work and submit the work accordingly. Okay. So I shall give marks. I shall assess the thing in that way for this power system design class. Because for power system design class, only for this fast part, that is road segmentation, that is only group work. Then again group will be subdivided into into 4 parts. Okay. Victor,
Victor?
Victor, your microphone is not working. What happened? You are not responding. Anyway, if you do not
Ma'am,
respond,
Ma'am, it's working, but actually, ma'am, presently
okay. I want to
I mean,
hear. No problem. I wanted to hear you only to give the attendance.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I was in a hospital, ma'am. It was an emergency. That's why I couldn't attend. মানে এই জন্য আমি করতে পারছিলাম না actually।
তুমি ক্লাস করবে না করবে না?
আমি ক্লাস করছিলাম কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার মানে একটু হসপিটালে আছি তো বারবার কানেকশনটা চলে যাচ্ছিল এবং
ঠিক আছে,
মানে
no
আমি
problem. তুমি ঠিক আছো তো?
ইয়েস আমার একটু বোনের একটু অসুস্থ হয়ে পড়েছিল।
ঠিক আছে, no problem. আচ্ছা, so in this power system design group, sessional, if anybody do not work, you have no need to bother. The remaining students no need to bother about that. You do your own work and submit accordingly. I shall take care of that in my own way. So at first there is road segmentation. For road segmentation, it will be according to the number. Shreya, have you understood your doubt?
Yes, ma'am, I've understood.
Okay, then is your group segmentation is completed or not? A road segmentation?
Yes, ma'am. Only I have about 3 roads left to number, but I have done the segmentation.
Okay, which group do you belongs to?
Ma'am, Group B.
Group B.
Ma'am?
So okay, I am coming one by one. So road segmentation, Shreya, your group can complete it yourself by next week, is not it?
Ma'am, I have completed it now only. I can complete within 5-10 minutes only and give it to you.
Okay. Then okay. Who want to say something?
Ma'am, Anish.
Anish, which group do you belong to?
Group C, ma'am.
Group C, okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you? I have taken the picture of what I have done, ma'am. Can you see and tell if it is okay or if
Can you show? I think you can show it.
Okay, ma'am. I'm presenting.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have rescale since I have taken printout in A4, ma'am. I have done the rescale calculation, ma'am. According to it, 1 centimeter is 150 meter, ma'am.
How you are getting that one? Actually, you are proportioning from the original scale.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Here,
yes,
1 centimeter equal to 150
meter.
Meter. Okay, 150 meter. Because that means it is reduced. Anyway, tell me then.
Yes, ma'am. So I have taken segments of 1 centimeter length.
Okay, every time you take segment of 1 centimeter length. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Can you do it comfortably in your sheet?
Ma'am, can you see my screen? Can you see my sheet, ma'am?
I can see the screen, but I cannot see the segmentation. Can you zoom it? Is it in PDF?
Yes, image
Yes,
format.
I can see. Okay, now I can 67, 62, 63, I can see.
Yes,
Now, these road segmentation are of 1 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. All are of 1 centimeter and some are small because there is no space.
Okay, no problem. So road segmentation is done. Now, one thing is that you just see the road segment number 67, 68, that is near to the Young Star Club.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 67, 68, then in between 67, 67, which segment number? That is which one? Show by your arrow.
In the image, ma'am, here, this one.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
So right in the middle of that. Okay.
Okay, you like this, ma'am. Actually, I was confused. In the left side, I have done in between like this.
Now one thing. Okay, that's fine. No problem. And I think you have taken several copy of that. I think I have told you to make 2 or 3 copy.
Yes, ma'am. I have 5 copies, ma'am.
5 copies. So now you know that say for this Hillcut Road, I think within this Hillcut Road, I think Hillcut Road there's 10, 12, 56, 15, 16 are within Hillcut Road.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Within Hillcut.
you know that within that section there are 4 segments.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you have done this one time 5 by your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, what you can do it now, you make this, you just road segmentation here you have done in proper scale. Okay,
Yes,
with scale you have measured 1 centimeter and marked them.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
in the remaining pages you have no need to make that exact 1 centimeter. For example, can you? I think you cannot show see my arrow. Can you see? Because you are sharing the screen.
No, I cannot see, ma'am.
Okay, anyway, no problem. In Hillcut Road, I think that is 15, 16. This type of road segment numbering are there, is not it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 15,
So
16.
50, I can see in Hillcut Road there are 4 segmentation after crossing. 15, 16, 14, 15, 16, 17 like that. I cannot read it properly. Now in your next slide, next page, that is a blank, the new map. You just mark this road segmentation there.
As the
Obviously, numbering as well as segmentation.
Both. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
But you do not do now with scale.
Okay,
You
okay.
know
Freehand,
that
freehand.
in Hillcut Road, by approximation, in Hillcut Road there are 4 segments.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you just approximately divide it into 4 and mark it 10. Just you have to make it Xerox copy there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, by hand. Have you followed?
Yes, ma'am. I followed, ma'am.
Okay, but you have no need to again draw with scale.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in that case, in the next copy, if it is not in proper scale, it will have no issue. Why I am not talking you to Xerox? Because it is already reduced. If you Xerox it, you cannot proceed for the further steps. Okay.
Ma'am.
So you just copy, say what information we have to convey in the next sheet. That is, in a particular road, how many segments are there and what are the numbering.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you are doing, you have done in this sheet 1 centimeter, exactly 1 centimeter. In that sheet, if you make that a 4 centimeter length, then that 4 centimeter will be divided into 4 equal parts, 1 centimeter each. But in that case, if there be any plus minus, that will not be issue, because their road segmentation is only required to show position of a load. Say Hillcut Road, for you, you're near, you just enlarge the figure.
1 second. 1 second.
Zoom it. Now everybody can see. Say that not more than that. Say there is a Bhaktinagar colony, right? So Bhaktinagar colony, around this there are road segment number 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, so on. Is not it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that means the power supplied to Bhaktinagar colony should be through this road, not by the road segment number 16. Could you follow?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat once? The voice cracked once.
Say, if you want to supply some power through Bhaktinagar, in the Bhaktinagar colony, then from where should you give the supply? Say supply, the transmission lines, the distributor are going to the road.
Yes, ma'am.
We are assuming overhead distribution. This is actually a distribution system.
Yes,
We are assuming overhead distribution. Then from where you should connect the say transformer situated in the Bhaktinagar colony, either from 23, 24, 22 or 27, 29, 30.
From 20
Nearest-
to 23.
So you should search for nearest source available.
Yes, ma'am. Nearest
So
source.
if we assume yes, tell me.
I was telling yes, ma'am. From the nearest source available.
Sarman. So actually this road segment number is required, that which road segment is supplying how much load. Say road segment number 29 for your case. 29 may supply Bhaktinagar colony as well as Boys Club. But road segment number 23 will supply Jalpaiguri, some residential area, and Bhaktinagar colony. So from there, you can identify which load is supplying which one, which road, from which road segment number you are supplying which load. Could you follow that why we have made road segmentation?
Yes, ma'am. So that we can identify from where we should supply the power.
Now say it may be through the road that you have numbered as 22, 23, 24. But now we can point out the from which the tap is taken within a deviation of 1 centimeter, because you have made the road segmentation with a length of 1 centimeter. Everybody should follow. I am explaining it with honest example, but it will be honest problem, but it is applicable to everyone. Okay, so this is the concept. Actually, road segmentation is required to identify from which point actually we have taken the load. We have connected the load with the source. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your road segment. So as you have numbered 12, 15, 16, that will be better, I think. Now, if it is, I cannot access here how much is the length, how much is the breadth. But if you see that it's very hard to identify the number, if I write within the road, it is better to write outside the road. Then you write. Anyway, after completion, every road segment number should be readable. Understood? For you, not for me. For you at least.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is less than 2 millimeter, ma'am. The width.
Then it would be better to okay. Anyway, you write it. You have written already within the road segment
Yes, ma'am.
number.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many road segmentation do you have?
Ma'am, I have
Your-
100 and I have 105, ma'am.
In total for the block C.
Yes, total 100 and yes, 105, 105. Ma'am.
105 segments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in your block, I think you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students and 105 segments. Now we have to put street light here. Then now 105 will be divided by 6, and in that way the student will place the street light there. So now the work will be divided. Could you follow me? I shall tell this and in general. For
Okay.
example, here 105 by 6 how much?
Wait, ma'am.
22.5.
22. 105 by 6 is 22.5 by 6. Is 22.5 is 17.5. I am
17, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
17, ma'am.
17.
17.
Approximately 17.
17.5. So someone say first one takes 17 in that way, and remaining you take as 18. Then it will be adjusted to 117,
Yes, ma'am.
170
117 and 118 will do, ma'am. 3 students will take 18 and 3 will take 17.
Okay, that you decide yourself. So my point is that if Anish do 1 to 17, then Harsh will do from 18 to remaining 18 to 17. That means 18 to 34, right? In that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
So now work is divided. Now Anish will put the street light only for that 17 road segments. Harsh will put for the next 17 segments. The Avinash will do for the next 17. Rahul will do for the next 18. Now who will take 17? Who will take 18? That you decide among yourself. Now then, the street light numbering, street light placement will be very fast, because if you do it for only 17 segments, it is not very lengthy job, and it is not so tedious job, boring job. But if you do it for 105 segments, then it will be very boring job. Then what problem will come for if you see the honest map, then there will be some crossing. It may happen, say in some cross, because there will be a common road crossing. Could you follow?
Yes, ma'am. We could follow, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have taken a strategy in last class that depending on width, we shall place the street light. So if width is more than 30 meter in actual scale, you convert it accordingly. Then we shall put street light in both sides of the. I shall discuss that one. Both side of the straight line street, otherwise single side in zigzag manner. Then only at the crossing of each road there should be force, because in crossing always there is light at the 4 corners. So that should be taken care of. But if you miss 1 or 2, that will not be a problem. What I wanted to say that, say Anish has 17th number of segment, Harsh has 18 number of segment. So in between that, if there be any crossing, it may happen Anish has put the street light as well as Harsh has put the street light. Then only for that segment, you take at least one street light for anyone and another one, remove that one. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that way, so only for one segment there will in between every consecutive student, only for one segment there will be this issue, not for the whole system, whole map. So in this way, everybody will proceed.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Which group?
Anish group C. Harsh.
Okay,
ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, in case Anish marks for a particular corner in which there are 4 intersections and he numbers that one, and if he shares his map to me via WhatsApp, and then when I am marking my segments, then I can continue after Anish work. In that case, there will be no overlapping.
No, I could not follow. No, that is not required. That will take time because everybody is no sincere. I know that everybody do it in time. Then your 6 members will be interdependent. You do not do that one.
Okay, ma'am.
You are telling that only after completion of Anish, that Anish will put street light for 17 segment, then he will send it to next person, next student, that is Harsh. In this way, it will go on. Is not it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was telling.
But it is not. I have seen that it is not a practical process. The thing is that Anish has done this one. This map is not with you. So what you do when Anish will send you this one, you know in every road how many segments are there. For Hillcut Road there are 4 segments. So you just copy Anish segmentation in your map. You do not take printout of Anish map that he have sent you in WhatsApp.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
do
Okay.
in your own map, you make the segmentation. Now obviously in your case segmentation will not, it is not again required to make it in proper scale, but at least if you copy him, then it will be near to the scale. You have no need to make the scale 1 centimeter. Anyway, you make the copy of Anish map as far as possible as he has done. Then you do your work. Everybody do their work, and then you communicate among yourself or in WhatsApp or whatever, only for one segment. Then it will be completed within 1 week, because only this segmentation will not be the task for the next week. There will be some other work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
And you have some lab classes. You have some other. The third year is there are second semester is very huge syllabus. So it is better you do by your own and give with minimum time devotion. You have to do it, right?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
That in that way it will be easier, as per my experience I have seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Anish, for Anish group 6, we have got road segment, and Shreya can tell right now what may be the road segment number.
Ma'am, could you please see my map once? I'm not sure if the segment, if the numbers have been written in the proper place or not.
Okay, show me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that this was the first segmentation I did in rough. I'm thinking that after the class I'll do another segmentation in fresh. Like I'll write properly
you need a Xerox copy of that. But you will not go to a Xerox center. You make a copy by seeing that one approximately. Only
No,
that
I
much.
understood, ma'am. I'm saying that I'll do another, like this one I did for the first time. So next time when I number, I'll number in such a way so that there is only one intersection for the next point. This one is a bit random, ma'am. Like some numbers are here and there. That is why.
So you have numbered, I think, sequentially after 15, 16 has come. So I have no problem with numbering also. The thing is that you have just take the copy, make a copy of that map by your own with pen. I could not follow you.
Ma'am, I was
You want to
telling that in some places, like suppose 65 has ended here, then 66 is in the next block.
Next block means?
Means besides 65, 70 is numbered, and then 66 is in the other side.
No problem. 65 is not. It is not required to make the segment number sequential.
Okay.
Why? That's why I have explained why we are making segmentation only to make our say take out point of the the source that take out point of the energy from the road within that variation will be within 1 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, you
Yes,
just
ma'am.
stop. Let me explain this one at first. Let me share it first. You stop your presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I understood, ma'am, that we are
No,
doing
no.
the
Okay.
segmentation just for.
Okay, just for identification. But I think I have to give some explanation for this. I think you can see the screen PPT, blank
Yes, ma'am, we can
PPT.
see. Yes, ma'am, we can see.
So say here we have roads. Okay. Now here some load are there. Say P1, P2. There are now some name. These are maps. So sorry. This side P3 and so on. Now, why I have told you to make this road segmentation? Say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then this you have to scatter all this load. Then all this load should say get the supply. Now distributor will go through the road. So distributor will go through the road, right? So from where you will give the supply to a particular load. So say you are giving P1 from here, say, but P3 from some other segment, P2 from here, P3 from this load from here. So road segmentation is required that we are scattering load P1 from road segment number 1. And why I have told to make the road segment length as equal as far as possible, because if road segment number is equal and if you have given this load, my God. One minute, there's some issue what happened.
Ma'am, you can press F4 for presentation.
Okay. Then that has gone. Actually, I have not prepared PPT for that. What happened? It's not coming. So that thing, there was a road segment, there was separate load. That's we are supplying through road segment number, and if road segment numbers are same, and we shall assume that we shall supply the load from the center of the road segment, right? So from here. Then if you say from the distributor side, at the tapping of load at a equal distance from the distributor. Now, if these tappings are same, then it is uniformly distributed load on the distributor. In that case, minimum potential point will be at the middle of the distributor, is not it? And in that case, potential drop will be minimum. That you have learned in your power supply system class. So for that reason, we want to make the road segmentation equal so that load get uniformly distributed. At the same time, load supplied is also same. It will not be possible for practical system, we shall see. But if we could make it possible, then it is possible to get minimum voltage drop through the distributor. Because for these are short transmission line or distributor, then the voltage drop is an issue. Voltage regulation is very high. That for that example we shall do in future. Say we have seen that if this load supply is P, then it is better. Then I say here requirement is not P plus X. Then we shall not supply this X from here. We shall supply that X from some other segment. Then obviously then it will remain P. Then the voltage drop will be minimum and at the middle of the distributor. So that is the aim. That's why we are making equal road segmentation, and only the segmentation number is required so that we can say from which load, from which segment, which load we have supplied. Then only you can visualize are all are P or they are different, because we have to ensure this one. We have no need to bother about map or street light. We have to ensure this one from electrical engineering point of view, so that potential drop will be minimum. If potential drop is minimum, then line loss will be minimum. Could you follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's thing I shall discuss later also, but that's why you are doing actually the road segmentation. Now Shreya, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
And Anish and others from that group can continue to make the street light numbering, street light positioning. They will be at 30 to 100 meter distance, and with this more than that. Okay, let me discuss at first. Otherwise, second there is Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Make it, zoom it again more. I can see, yes. Okay, that's fine, no problem.
Ma'am, there are extremely small segments here which are even less than 0.5 centimeters, so it's okay.
So if you have, what can you do? You can, if you have, what can you do? It is a geographical area. You have nothing to control in the, because in a small lane it may happen. Okay, it is a map of some town. Okay, so you have nothing to do here.
And then do I need to write these numbers inside the road?
No, whatever be the comfortable, it should be readable.
Okay, ma'am.
Because that I have discussed right now, that whether each segment are uniformly loaded or not. So after Sunday, when the design will progress, then you have to supply load from here. Then you have to put arrow from every segment, and you have to connect it to the load. Then this load segment number should be readable. So if the width is less, obviously you have to put it outside the road. If the width is more, then you can put inside. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because you have to put the street light also. So then next group and the remaining groups. Group 1, what is your status? Is anybody there from group 1? Is there Rishabh, Minmoy, Amisha?
Yes, ma'am.
What
we
is
are doing, we haven't yet completed.
Huh?
We haven't yet completed, madam.
Who are doing this thing?
All are doing.
All, how are you doing the road segmentation?
Ma'am, I have taken out of the thing.
We have numbered it here.
Hmm?
Like we have talked about it, like how we would segment, and the numbering is not yet done. Like that we would discuss.
You have done the road segmentation.
Yes, some part is done, ma'am, and some part is left. Like individually.
I could not understand what to do in the corners. Means I was unsure about how to mark in the corners.
Okay, then let me say. In the corner, if the road segmentation is like this.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Your screen sharing is off.
Okay, I shall show. At least at first let me draw. Where is it? I have not shared actually. I hope now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, if these are the roads and these are the corners, then you must take the corner within one segment. My drawing is not particular, so you make in this way segmentation. For this side in this way, I have explained this in previous class, I think, in this way. And so this corner has included within this road only. Now you segment it accordingly. Segmentation should start from the end. Otherwise you cannot. So this is the end of the road in map. Then you should start from here. There will be a boundary here, then 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. In that way you go on. So it may happen that it is more than 1 centimeter. Then you can keep it here. Otherwise, this is your decision. Otherwise, you can take it within this. So you can make here 1 centimeter, then take it this crossing within this road. Then you should not again consider this crossing for this road. That much only. Have you understood?
That means only that crossing should be only a part of one segment, like not of multiple segments.
No, obviously. Because every part of a road should be identified by a segment. If you are making crossing a part of 2 segments, that means it will be a confusion. Okay, because in crossing there are 4 street lights here, right? So who will supply this street light? Obviously this road segment. Now if you would have made the crossing street light segmentation in this way, still street lights will be there, but now it will be supplied by this segment. Could you follow the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, it is very easy. But if you do not start, then you will think that is a huge job. But if you start, once you check the road segment numbering, now you can see only 105 segments are there, so many segments. But you have no need to do that one. You will do that divided by 6 only.
Okay, ma'am. One more doubt. Is
Yes.
that like in a very small gully, like which is say less than 1 centimeter, so that gully also has to have means mandatorily there has to be one segment inside that small road also, no?
No. Why segmentation is required? Segmentation is required. So there is very small lane, very small width. Okay. But it is not a say unmanned zone. It is some loader nearby, and people go through it. So there must be at least street light here. Is not it? Then who will supply the street light? So distributor should go through it at least to supply the street light if there be no load nearby. Then who will, at which point this distributor will supply this one? Obviously at this point. Could you understand? Then obviously if you do not make any road segmentation, how will you write this in your report or in your exercise book? Because when you are referring the map in your write-up, then you cannot indicate that one. Not for report only. Say when you have to make the table, you have to make a table of load, whether every load has been catered or not. That you have to make sure. So for that reason, road segmentation will be required. So every road should have a number, road segment number. So it may have that this is a very the width is very small. This is very narrow road. Then you can make one segment. It may be more than 1 centimeter. It may be 2 centimeter. But one segment should be there. Otherwise, you cannot identify or supply the street light within it. Or if there be any residential area, say house nearby, then you cannot supply that way. You can supply, but you cannot note it in the table. You cannot indicate it in the table or report in that way. You have to refer this one in your exercise book. Otherwise, how can you write? Every day you have to write that load on that lane. So it is very difficult. Then it is better to give one numbering. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other thing? So for group 1, group A, road segmentation is still going on. Just started. And for group B, I think group B.
Yes, ma'am. Segmentation is done, ma'am.
How many segments do you have?
Ma'am, 240.
240. You have no need to bother that Anish, you have lesser number, and or the Pooja, you have higher number. Anyway, whatever be the number, that will not be an issue. It is only for identification. So 240 segments you divide among yourself, and
Ma'am, this is group B.
Ma'am, Shreya has 240
Group B.
segments, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Group
this is
B,
for group
not D, ma'am.
B.
Group B.
Group B, and for group D,
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt for that.
group B, that means Shreya have the 240 number of segments. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And for other, okay, show me your doubt. Group D.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, is it visible?
Make the zoom in more. Very light. Okay, zoom in. More zoom. Is it possible?
No, ma'am, I have not segmented yet, ma'am, because first of all, ma'am, there is a problem in scaling. Ma'am, how will be scaling done? I'm not understanding. Because the 1 centimeter of the A4 sheet that I have, which I have printed, will not be equal to. Ma'am, how will I calculate it? I'm not understanding.
Ma'am,
What they have done. Okay, explain, Anish.
Okay, so when when we sent the PDF of the file and the image of the file, there we told the dimension of the original map, the one that Shubhoshri has. We told you the dimension. It is 55.2 centimeter into 45 centimeter. Then you print the map in the A4 paper, and you after printing you see what is the dimension in the A4 paper, and then
Also,
you
we have
scale it
the
accordingly.
dimension of this map.
What?
We
It is
have the
50
dimension of this map.
Yes, you have the dimension. I have given in the group. I have given in the group. It is given.
Okay.
Yes, you have not seen. I have given in the group.
Can you please tell me it once again?
What can you please?
The dimension of the map.
55.2 into 45 centimeter.
0.2 to 45. 45 point?
45 only.
Okay. Ma'am, second thing. Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, second thing, what, ma'am, should the segmentation of be of 1 centimeter only, ma'am? Should it be standard or what?
Have you attended the class, last class?
Yes, ma'am.
1 centimeter only that you can decide that we can take that one. But road length is not in our control. So if anywhere, say after road segmentation, only 1.5 centimeter road length is left, then you can make that one segment, or you can make 0.75, 2 segment. But since we have restriction of time, I shall not tell you to make them 0.275, 0.75 centimeter. You make them 1.5 centimeter. Understood?
Okay. And ma'am, finally, yes, ma'am.
And but that does not mean you keep 2 centimeter road segment. It's because you have taken minimum road segment length as 1. So the next you can allow the maximum length of road segment within 2 centimeter. If it is equal to 2 centimeter or more than 2 centimeter, then obviously there will be 2 segments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
And ma'am, this ma'am.
Yes. I could not hear you properly. I could not hear you properly. It is. Can anybody hear Harshit properly?
No, ma'am.
So Harshit, yes. Now tell me.
Ma'am, what about this curved road, ma'am? Because we cannot measure it with the scale.
Take it approximately, because road segment now you have done engineering drawing. So if what is the curvature of road, you can understand. So from there you take it approximately. And if you want to do it exactly, then you have to find out its perimeter or circumference. Then you have to do it. No need to do that one. You approximately take 1 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Because here only it is required so that the load that that tapping from say distributor will be at equal interval, and that tapping will be of same value. Then our distribution system will be ideal one. There will be minimum voltage drop. But you will see we could not control it because the loads are not uniformly distributed, but load will be distributed as per demand. So only you do the initial thing, so that everything will be ideal, then we can proceed. Our design will be ideal one. But when we face the practical problems, then we have restriction there. We have to tackle them accordingly. Okay, and one thing I want to say that one, Harshit, you could contact other students, and I have told also in last class that you could contact me also if you have any doubt. Say I have given this work for the last week, only the road segmentation. I know this is very hard, but remaining students have two sub groups have already done, and remaining two are not. What will happen if you accumulate this work? Well, then you cannot accommodate it in future. You will have semester exam, you will have lab exam, all the things, classes are going on. It will be problematic for you. And if you do not give a certain volume of work to me, I cannot give the number. Okay.
Yes, I'm sorry, ma'am.
That's why when I make it, when I used to do it in offline, then always I advise student to make only this 3-hour devotion in the power system design class. You do everything in class only for these 3 hours in the Friday second half. That will be sufficient, because you will never get time more than this in a third year second semester, as we have other examination with other exam preparation for gate examination or for GRE or everything that you will give in your fourth year. So for that you will have very much pressure in third year second semester. If you are not facing this, I do not know, if you are not sensing this. So that's why you try to do it within proper time, whatever task I have given. At least start that one. Do not do this one, then you will be in trouble. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other thing anyone want to say?
Ma'am, this road is not completed, so ma'am, I'm not understanding it. What to do with this? Ma'am, many
You
other
connect
parts.
it may be printing issue. Make it larger.
Till here.
You zoom it. I cannot see it properly. You zoom your screen. This road actually, the printing has not come. You connect it accordingly. You continue the road up to the.
Yes, Arshit, you have to edit. In our picture also it was a problem, so we edited the lines so that we can draw, like the printing where it has not come, we drew it.
You draw it by pen in your printout.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me then say for the next work. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if you have the I think that note with you. Can you see this one? Okay, let me share the screen. Now I think you can see this one. This is with you. Can you see this note?
Yes,
Power system design note.
Yes, ma'am.
So this first one, only the road segmentation numbering. So this much. Only divide roads into the small segments and number them. Some two group has done this one and two group has not. So you have to complete it by tomorrow, by next week. And at the same time, then you put the street light 100 meter apart. It is written. If the road is more than 30 meter, then you put the street light on both sides or in zigzag manner. Street light rating 200 watt each. But in your case, you have seen somewhere, for someone its scale is 1 centimeter equal to 150 meter. Is not it? Now for you?
Yes, ma'am. For group C, it is 1 centimeter equals 150.
Whatever be the for a particular group. So you do not in note. You see it is written that 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. Tell me what is for group B or group C.
Ma'am, for group B, it is 1 centimeter equal to 120 meter.
1 centimeter equal to 120 meter, right? So you just put the street light 1 centimeter apart. So in your report you write I have put the street light 120 meter apart. Understood my point?
Okay, ma'am.
Similarly, what is the scale for Anish?
Ma'am, 1 centimeter equals 150 meter.
Can you make 1 centimeter equal? We have put the street light 150 meter apart. Right?
Okay,
You do
ma'am.
not bother about that. Then the advantage will be that you have road segment of 1 centimeter. Now you think about width only. Okay. If width is more, then obviously more illumination is required. If width is less, then less illumination is required. So if that's why it is written, if width is more than 30 meter, then we shall put the street light on both sides. Otherwise, zigzag. What is the both side meaning? If you start from here, you should put here 2 light, right? Then you, for Shriya scale, it will be 1 centimeter apart. That is your one segment. You shall put 1 street light. Now, if it is road segment number 1, it is at this point. So you can assume this light you may supply from one road segment number 1 or from 2. Accordingly, you put street light only and on left hand side or right hand side. So the thing is like this. If it is 1, if it is 2, so you have started from here. You just draw here. It will be obviously here. Why I am drawing here? To make sure, to make me understand, then we shall supply this street light load from road segment number 1. Similarly here. Now, if you decide that this is the road segment number 1, this is 2 again. If you decide this street light you will supply from the previous road, then you put the street light here. It is here. So position of the street light will be same. Only we are indicating that from which segment we shall supply. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
This is for the both side placement when the road width is more. So here you have written 30 centimeter because for that particular map 30 meter was comfortable. 30 meter was 0.3 centimeter. For your case, whatever be the thing, you just check where are the wider road, what is the width of them, according to you change that line. So in your case, it may be 50 meter. If the width is 50 meter, then we are providing both sides. If it is less than 50 meter, we are providing both sides, zigzag. So in any way, you write as per your scale. But always I am telling that always you take 1 centimeter as try to put street light 1 centimeter apart in the scaled map. Then it will be easier for you because street light placement of street light is only a very mere part of this design. We have no need to bother about it. We are putting the street light only for that reason that total street light is not given. If it would given that for this particular road number of street light is 150, then we shall divide the total 150 number of street light equally among the segments. We no need to bother about that. Since it is not given, that's why we are putting. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Understood.
So zigzag means once both side means this length will be 1 centimeter. I am showing it by bigger. 1 centimeter, say this much is 1 centimeter. Then after 1 centimeter, there will be again 2 straight light. Okay. And zigzag means when width is less, then here it is 1 centimeter. So this length is 1 centimeter. Then we shall put 1 street light here. Next is here. In that way. Understood?
Yes,
so zigzag will be here, here, here. Because if the width is less, then we have no need so much illumination in that way. So you can make the variation also on the same side only. Not required. You just make both side and zigzag. Okay. Our aim is only to estimate the street light load, nothing more than that. So you concentrate on the this to make this table. This table you may make in Excel. You have no need to write it in your exercise book. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Then can we do in
So what
exercise book or Excel sheet is compulsory?
whatever you feel comfortable, I have no
ma'am.
problem.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now the thing is that I have told in the starting of the class, for Anish it will be 1 to 17. Next to Anish for the for who was the next to Anish? Harsh. Then for Harsh it will be 18 to 34. So Harsh will make this table only from 18 to 34.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody will give total street light loading. So finally we shall get 6 values, we shall add them.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Understood.
And now here, since now before that you must make sure that at every costing street light should not be doubled. During report also, Harsh will write for 1 to 17, 17 to 34, Anish will write for 1 to 17 only. Right? You have no need to make the table for the 105 segments. Understood? When I shall ask for any report, you have to submit a report, and along with report, the exercise book in which you are doing the rough work, that scan copy you have to submit. Because here I cannot see who is working, who is not. When I do it in class, then I make sure of that. So you have to submit that one. So do not tell me at the end of the session that I do not have that one. I have missed it somewhere. So street light, I hope with street light loading you can complete within the next class. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Means we'll place the street lights.
And
place the street light. By next week I want to know how much is your total street light load. This information I want to know. Total street light loading. Then I can proceed for the next step.
Okay, ma'am.
So by street light loading, you have to all group members have to complete. If anybody miss, then we shall skip him and we shall proceed. Because there is not much time in hand, and I think for to place street light for 17 segments does not take any time. For Shriya also 205 by 6. 205 by 6, how much?
240 by 6.
240 by
40 segments.
240.
Yes, ma'am. 40 segments per person.
40 segments also will take. I do not think it will take more than 1 or 1.5 hours. And do not take so much time in thinking. Say in a segment, if you are seen that I have put here both sides, it should be one single side. For one segment you have made that mistake. You keep it because it will only the estimation. Okay. So you have no need to make that much of worried about it, but you complete it. But it does not mean your requirement is 100 street light and you have made it 200. Okay. So if you have any confusion about 1 or 2 number of street lights, you discuss among yourself and complete it. And if you have any doubt that you cannot sort it by yourself, then you WhatsApp me. My thing is that you should complete this street light loading by the next week. Then we shall go to the actual design. For that, total street light loading, this thing is required for me. Understood? So every group A to D should complete that one. Would you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From group A, Rishabh, Mrinmoy, can you complete?
Yes, ma'am, will do it.
Yes, ma'am, will come.
Ankon has not come. And group D, Amritangshu, Aman.
Yes, ma'am, will do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will.
So you should complete it, okay? For
Yes, ma'am.
Amritangshu, I think there
Yes,
are
ma'am.
5 members. Okay, anyway, you complete it. And if you are in doubt, then you ask me by WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am
Thank you,
compliant.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.